Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the undo send delay in the mail on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on mail. Once you're here, you want to swipe down to the very bottom and you're going to find here the undo send delay. So from the factory settings, it is set to 10 seconds. You can set it to off, you can set it to 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So what it means, after sending for 10 seconds, you are going to be able to undo it. If you select 20 seconds, it means you're going to have 20 seconds to undo it. And so on with the 30 seconds. But also, you can turn it to off. In my case, the burst works the 30 seconds, so I'm going to select the 30 seconds because, more time to undo the email that I'm not sure that I want to send is okay. And with the emails that I'm sure I want to send the 30 seconds later, it's not a problem in my case. So I'm gonna keep it at 30 seconds, and once you have the tick to the specific time or off, it means that that one is selected. So again, how to get to the setting: open settings, swipe down, tap on mail, swipe down again, and on the very bottom you're going to find it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!